Many women spend their lives taking care of everyone else, their families, their work, their responsibilities. In the middle of all these responsibilities, they rarely get a moment to pause and celebrate themselves. This Women's Day, India Vision Foundation brought together women from its rehabilitation and reintegration program. Not just to talk about Women's Day, but to help them experience it. What followed were moments filled with laughter, connection, and shared stories. For a while, responsibilities faded away, and the day became about them. To encourage the habit of saving and planning for the future, each woman received a piggy bank. A small reminder that even the smallest savings can build a stronger tomorrow.
वुमेन्स डे का मतलब है कि जो नारी शक्ति है वो सबसे ऊपर है।
हर दिन हम बच्चों के लिए जीते भी हैं और बच्चों के लिए टाइम निकालते हैं, लेकिन अपने लिए हमें वक्त नहीं मिलता निकालने के लिए।
आज खेला है हमने, सबके साथ मिलकर एक दूसरे को जाना है और बहुत मजा आया खेलने में।
Sometimes, all it takes is a moment of recognition to remind women of their strength, their worth, and their limitless potential.